Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the hardware and Windows state. Some desktops lack adaptive brightness, so make sure your device supports it. Open Settings, then System, Display to look for the slider. Once done, launch Device Manager to inspect display adapters and monitors. You want drivers visible without error icons. If a driver shows a warning, that's a lead. Make sure to run Windows Update before deep fixes, because cumulative updates often restore missing controls automatically. Next, focus on drivers and system services. In Device Manager, right-click the display adapter and choose Update Driver or roll back if a recent update broke brightness. Also expand monitors and update the monitor driver. Use Update Driver Search automatically, then install OEM drivers if Windows fails. You should restart Windows Management Instrumentation and the display-related services. This refreshes system capability reporting so Windows shows the slider. Once drivers and services are reset, reboot to apply changes. Finally, handle persistent cases. If drivers and services failed, inspect the registry key for feature test control under the display class and ensure values aren't disabling brightness. You'll need admin rights. Run system integrity checks, sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted system files that hide UI elements. Create a system restore point before registry edits. After making changes, reboot and test the slider. If it still fails, try safe mode to isolate third-party interference, then undo recent apps or drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.